Are you a wedding or portrait photographer desperately searching for that perfect online gallery solution that actually works? Have you been battling with clunky platforms that make your clients frustrated? Or worse yet, watching potential print sales slip through your fingers because the buying process is just too complicated? Today, we're diving deep into Pic-Time, a sleek and surprisingly powerful gallery platform that's been quietly revolutionizing how professional photographers deliver their work and turn those stunning images into real revenue. We're going to break this down feature by feature, explore the real-world workflow, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether Pic-Time deserves a spot in your photography business toolkit. Whether you're capturing intimate wedding moments, creating stunning portraits, or documenting lifestyle sessions that tell powerful stories, Pic-Time has rapidly become the go-to choice for thousands of professional photographers worldwide. We've spent weeks studying every corner of this platform, diving into user reviews from photographers who've been using it for years, and testing the features that matter most to working professionals. Today, we'll walk you through exactly what makes Pic-Time different from the crowded field of gallery platforms, and more importantly, whether it can actually solve the real problems you face in your photography business. At the absolute heart of Pic-Time lies its modern client gallery system that immediately sets it apart from competitors. Each gallery delivers a clean, sophisticated look that feels genuinely mobile-friendly and completely customizable to match your unique brand identity. From your logo placement to custom watermarks, every visual detail can be tailored to reflect your photography style, giving your clients that premium photo viewing experience that builds trust and encourages them to invest in prints and products. The mobile experience deserves special attention because this is where most clients will actually interact with your work. Pic-Time galleries load lightning fast on phones and tablets, allowing clients to view, download, and share their favorite photos instantly without any frustrating delays or technical hiccups. The mobile interface feels smooth, intuitive, and genuinely easy to navigate, which translates directly into happier clients and faster social media sharing that promotes your work organically. One truly standout feature that photographers rave about is the smart search functionality powered by artificial intelligence. Clients can search by recognizing faces or typing keywords like hugs, group photos, or flowers, and find exactly the images they're looking for within seconds. This isn't just a nice-to-have feature, it's a game changer for large wedding galleries where clients might otherwise spend 20 minutes scrolling through hundreds of photos. Each gallery comes equipped with a fully integrated print store that eliminates the friction between viewing and buying. Clients can preview their selected images on frames, canvas prints, photo albums, and other products right within the gallery interface, then place orders directly without being redirected to confusing third-party websites. This seamless experience dramatically increases conversion rates because there's no opportunity for clients to get distracted or abandon their cart. Behind the scenes, Pic-Time operates with a network of over 30 professional print labs spanning the globe. You maintain complete control by choosing your preferred lab partners, and orders are automatically routed for production and shipping based on client location and product type. This saves you countless hours of manual order processing while ensuring consistent quality standards that protect your professional reputation. Perhaps the most valuable feature for busy photographers is the built-in marketing automation system. From seasonal holiday promotions to gentle abandoned cart reminders, Pic-Time sends professionally designed emails on your behalf, helping boost print sales without requiring you to become a marketing expert. These automations work quietly in the background, nurturing client relationships and recovering potential lost sales while you focus on shooting. The drag-and-drop album builder empowers clients to design their own photo book layouts, or allows you to offer custom album design services. Everything syncs seamlessly with the gallery system, so favorited images can be instantly transformed into finished photo books without complicated file transfers or manual processes. For photographers who want to create emotional impact beyond static images, Pic-Time supports automated slideshows with licensed music tracks and can even deliver high-resolution 4K videos alongside traditional photos. This multimedia capability is surprisingly rare in the gallery platform space, and adds significant value for clients who want dynamic ways to relive their special moments. Finally, Pic-Time includes integrated blogging tools specifically optimized for search engine visibility. You can share behind-the-scenes stories, boost your Google rankings with fresh content, and repurpose client sessions into marketing material, all within the same platform ecosystem. Let's walk through exactly how this looks in real-world practice. After wrapping up a beautiful wedding shoot, you upload your carefully edited images to Pic-Time, apply your pre-designed gallery template that matches your brand aesthetic, and send the gallery invitation to your excited newlyweds. They receive a professional email and click through to discover a beautifully branded gallery showcasing their special day. As they browse through their photos, they start favoriting the images that capture their most cherished moments and naturally notice the integrated store offering prints, canvas art, and custom albums. Meanwhile, Pic-Time's automation system is working behind the scenes, sending gentle follow-up emails encouraging them to complete their orders and offering limited-time promotions. It's a complete delivery and sales workflow seamlessly integrated into one powerful platform. The advantages of Pic-Time are substantial. You get clean, professional galleries that genuinely impress clients, an integrated print store connected to global lab networks, powerful marketing automations that work while you sleep, multimedia support for slideshows and videos, a functional album builder, built-in blogging tools for search engine optimization, and round-the-clock support for both photographers and their clients. However, there are some important limitations to consider. Pic-Time has a steeper learning curve that might overwhelm photographers just starting their businesses, requires significant upfront time investment to properly configure your store and automation sequences, and isn't designed as a complete business management solution. You'll still need separate tools for client contracts, invoicing, and appointment scheduling. If you're a working photographer seeking a genuinely polished way to deliver client galleries while maximizing revenue from print sales, Pic-Time stands out as one of the most comprehensive platforms available today. This isn't just another gallery tool. It's a complete ecosystem designed for sharing your work, selling products, and scaling your photography business efficiently. There's a free trial link waiting in the description if you want to explore the platform yourself and see how it might transform your client delivery process. If this detailed breakdown helped clarify whether Pic-Time fits your needs, smash that like button and subscribe to Alt Buzz. Leave your thoughts in the comments, send a super thanks, and consider joining the channel membership for more insider tech content that helps creative professionals work smarter, not harder.